first question is going back to the care label discussion. What if you see items that clearly shouldn't be dried, like certain brands of yoga pants? Should you just dry as instructed?
So it depends on the equipment you've got. The problem with air drying in a laundry operation is you really don't have the space. And it becomes difficult. So if you have equipment that has moisture drying capability, or even better, no heat settings, you can still pass the air through a shrinkable garment, or a garment that, like the yoga pants. The problem with yoga pants is there's kind of twofold. It doesn't like the heat because it'll react to the heat, and then number two, it doesn't like the mechanical action. But then you don't have the space to air dry it. So you've got to kind of mix those two. Another great one that's really bad that we see all the time is fleece. Whether it be a fleece jacket or fleece blankets. You just need to. And the nice thing about all of these things is they dry really quickly. So it only takes a few minutes of low heat or no heat, and believe it or not, it'll be almost dry. So the best thing to do with that would be separate it out, dry it individually for a short period of time on low to no heat. And if you have no heat, it's the best. Low heat, I would just do for a couple of minutes, and then you would want to hang it to finish the drying process. Maybe it'll take a couple hours, depending on how many of those garments are in a load. But it's probably one of the bigger challenges of doing it. If you're really going to do a great job, that's how you would do it.